piraso ng isa pang bahay na gawa sa blocks na kailangan nilang buuin sa isang lamesa na nasa kabilang dulo. Sa oras na matumba ang unang bahay na nasa lamesang hindi balanse, kinakailangan muna itong itayo ng housemate bago magpatuloy muli. Ang unang makakapagpatayo sa dalawang bahay ang siyang mananalo.
Hold your ropes. Andre at Fumia, magsisimula na ang inyong hamon in 3, 2, 1, go!
Talaga!
Umpisa pa lamang ay hirap na agad ang dalawa sa pagbabalanse.
My strategy is nearest block is get to the back. The unstable table is very high, so it's easy to fall down.
I knew, for one, it would be best if I start with the blocks closest to the table. Because if I try to grab the blocks closest to me, then I knew I would have to carry that block with me all the way.
Don't feel the pressure, just think. Yeah.
Tinatayo pa rin ni Fumia ang gumuhong bahay habang si Andre ay nakuha na ang ikalawang block.
Bakit?
Breathe.
Bakit? Just focus, guys.
Nakuha naman ni Andre ang kanyang ika-4 na block.
Gambara.
Yeah.
Gambaro there.
Gambaro.
Focus lang, focus.
Ang naghahabol na si Fumia ay malapit nang ilagay ang kanyang ikalawang block.
When it comes down to me in the end, holding that rope and starting to build the house, and then looking at Fumia, where he's frustrated, stressed, trying his hardest and not giving up, it was hard.
Nailipat na ni Andre ang kanyang ika-5 block. Dahil gumuho ang mga bahay ay sabay na nagsimula ang dalawa.
Actually, I saw him. Wow, he will make it soon.
Ang nangungunang si Andre ay nakakuha na ang kanyang ikapitong block.
I was trying to stay focused as much as I could. It's the last few blocks, but the slow realization that I'm finishing, and this is against me and my best friend.
Nakuha na ni Andre ang ikawalong block at nagsimulang buuin ang bahay nang biglang
Go, go!
maging si Fumiya at ibang housemate ay naging apektado na rin.
I saw him. I was thinking of memory with Andre. He's always helping me until end. He's my best friend.
그리고 보면 금바대
はい、頑張る、頑張る。
Andre,
ずっと友達だよ。
yeah, you can do it.
だよ。
금바대 laban
小宮、前のお話覚えてるね。
Yeah. I'm so happy.
諦めない。
Yeah,
110%で。
yeah.
諦めない。
Ilang saglit pa ay muli nagpatuloy ang dalawa.
この後、絶対居酒屋。
Yeah.
At muling sinubukan ni Andre ang pagtayo sa bahay.
He's going to
Holding that last block, it was very painful. The slow realization that I'm finishing, and this is against me and my best friend.
Andre, ikaw ang nagwagi.
suspense.